Welcome back to a new nail art tutorial. This time we are creating a floral hearty nail design, perfect for short nails. Let's start with a white base. The main tool of this tutorial is the dotting tool. Let's get started by making dotted hearts. Let's repeat the same color in the other nails. Dots don't have to be filled with color. When the dotting tool is not fully loaded with paint, the final look of the dots is kind of washed away. It is similar to watercolor style. Now we are going to repeat, but using a darker shade this time. Create other hearts, changing the angle. Next dotted heart color is pink. Repeat in other nails, changing a heart position. Repeat by using red nail polish now. For the last heart we are making, it will be in yellow color. Darker shade for this case is going to be orange. Look how pretty they look already. Now let's add some green leaves. This will add the floral feel we're going for. For the leaves, I'm using a nail art brush and acrylic paint. Once you're done, let the design completely dry before applying any top coat. I love this design so much because it looks very feminine and really cute. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please share to support this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.